Welcome back to my channel. Today we are slaughtering our nails. Now I started out with a clear coat for a natural look and red because it's naturally bloody. And I'm just going around the outside cuticles where one would say destroy their fingers if they were trying to claw their way out of a box buried beneath the ground. The goal here is to be messy as all hell, so we need that red stuff everywhere. And I'm gonna keep on going until every single one has had some love. For some depths of deep shadow, we have a plum here. You can use any brand of nail polish. I am not sponsored by any of these. These are just what I decided to use that were useful tools for the time being.